Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to making money online in your free time, you have come to the right place. Today I'm sharing 5 awesome apps that pay you for simple tasks, and the best part, they are available worldwide on both Google Play Store and App Store. If you are ready, let's dive in. The first app on the list is Toloka. Imagine earning money while sitting on your couch or during your coffee break. Toloka pays you to complete tasks like labeling images, testing apps, or answering surveys. The tasks are quick and simple, and you don't need any special skills. What makes Toloka stand out is its global accessibility. Whether you are in US, Africa, or Asia, you can join and start earning. They even offer multiple payout options including PayPal and Pioneer. So if you're someone who loves multitasking or has a few minutes to spare daily, Toloka is for you. The second app is pawns.app. I've already talked about this app in multiple videos. This app takes passive income to a whole new level. All you have to do is share your internet bandwidth and pawns.app pays you for it. It is that simple. You can also earn extra cash by playing games or completing surveys. The app is perfect if you want to make money without lifting a finger. Plus, it is available globally and works seamlessly on both Android and iOS. The third app on the list is Premise, and this one is pretty unique. Premise pays you to explore your city and complete local tasks. These tasks can be anything from snapping photos of a store, collecting data of a product display, or even answering simple questions. It is perfect for people who love being on the go. Whether you are in New York, Nairobi, or New Delhi, these are tasks waiting for you. And don't worry, if you rather stay at home, they also have surveys that you can complete from your phone. It is a fun way to earn and explore your surroundings at the same time. The fourth app is called GrabPoints. GrabPoints is crowd favorite in the world of reward apps. With GrabPoints, you can earn points by watching videos, taking surveys, and even trying out new apps. It is a straightforward way to earn some pocket money. What I love about GrabPoints is it has a very low withdrawal threshold. You can redeem your points for gift cards or even cash out via PayPal. And the tasks are available to anyone no matter where you are. Seriously, it is easy as binge watching your favorite shows but getting paid for it. And last but not least is paidwork. This app is perfect for anyone looking for flexibility. Paidwork offers multiple ways to earn, from watching videos to testing apps and completing surveys. It is beginner friendly and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone with extra few minutes to spare, Paidwork is a great choice. And guess what? Like other apps on this list, it is available worldwide, making it super convenient no matter where you live. So how do you get started with these apps? It is simple. Head to Google Play Store or App Store, search for the app's name and download it. Create an account, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Remember, these apps are designed to fit in your schedule so you can earn at your own pace. Also, keep an eye out for the tips and tricks with each app. For example, on Toloka, look for high-paying tasks. On Premise, prioritize local tasks for bigger rewards. The more consistent you are, the more you will earn. And that's it, folks. 5 amazing apps that are helping people worldwide earn extra cash. Whether you are looking for active tasks or passive income, there is something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.